Good morning, all you cool cats and kittens. How are y'all doing this morning? I said this. I meant to say this morning. Guys, so today's actually going to be really simple as well. As you already know, we don't have the packets for reading or writing for the 5th week, but not to worry. There's still work to be done. It's just that it's not going to be that much, and so you should be happy and you should be able to complete all of your work. Remember that we are going with 100% every day. And so how are you going to be giving your 100%? Today, yesterday, tomorrow? What's it going to look like for you to be able to give 100%? What do you need to do to give 100%? What do you need to, think about? What do you need to dream about in order for you guys to give your 100% every day? Let me give you an example. One of the things that I've been doing lately is gaining weight, right? I'm calling it the Quarantine 15. I feel like I've been gaining a lot of weight because I'm not able to go to the gym like I used to, and I'm not able to go to my jiu-jitsu class like I'm super used to. And so I've been gaining weight. Now, it's not a lot of weight, but it's definitely more weight than I'd care to have. And so I decided, you know what, how am I going to give my 100% every day starting this week? Just because I want to get rid of that weight. So I bought some healthy food. So I'm eating just my healthy food. I got rid of all the snacks in my house. Like I threw away the chips. I got rid of all the sweets. I'm drinking a lot more water than I used to. I don't have my water jug here, but I'm drinking a lot more water. Not only that, but I'm also I'm also running 2 miles every day in the morning. And then in the afternoon, I'm running 1 mile and I'm doing a workout. So I'm running a total of 3 miles with a workout for every day this week. So that's how I decided that if I'm not happy with how my life has been going, if I'm not happy with the fact that my jeans don't fit, then maybe I should do something about it, right? So remember how we were talking about choices and things that we make? So my choice is to give 100% every day this week and for the foreseeable future, and run 3 miles a day and do 1 workout every day. That's an example of how I'm giving 100%. Now, another example of a way that you could give 100% is by doing the work that's been given to you. Now, remember, you don't have reading and writing packets to do, which minimizes the workload that you guys have by a lot. Today, for reading, for wit and wisdom, all you're going to do is take that assessment paragraph that you did last week and revise it. That's it. You're going to follow a video that's extremely short, and it's going to tell you exactly what to revise. It'll tell you to revise your punctuation. It'll tell you to revise your spelling. So remember that you have Google, that you have Siri, that you have Alexa. You have all these tools available to you so that you do not misspell a word. Guys, Google it. Don't misspell it. Right now is the time to learn how to spell words properly. So that it's going to ask you to fix all your misspelled words. It's going to ask you for your punctuation. It's going to ask you for capitalization. Do you have an introductory sentence? Do you have a topic sentence? Do you have a concluding sentence? Do you have the evidence? That's what it's going to be asking you about. So you're going to take assessment 6. I believe it's assessment 6A from last week, and you're going to revise it. That's it. It should take you about 12 minutes watching the video and doing the revisions. Not a lot of time, but it must be super excellent. Next, for reading as well. Since you don't have a packet, I did upload 1 worksheet that has to do with theme. That worksheet has a couple of questions, and let me tell you what those questions are. The questions are, what problem did Sasha face in the story? How did Sasha solve this problem? What is the theme of this story? Write about how you have noticed this theme in your own life. So notice how there's some writing even in there, right? So you guys are still going to write, and that's why I didn't have you do the writing prompt, because you're not going to need it. So Remember, turn in the worksheet. You can either print it out and take a picture of it, or you can just write it in your notebook. Not a big deal. Not tomorrow, today is Superhero Day. So dress up as your favorite superhero if you'd like. You don't have to, but it'd be fun if you did. Mine, as you all already know, is Batman. So during our live sessions, I think we might have a visit of Batman, from Batman. So for reading, the big takeaway you're going to have is theme, the message, the lesson being learned. Make sure that it has a real world connection. Remember that it is not a summary, it is not a main idea, and it's also not a specific message only to your story. It's universal, like the myth, right? Creation myths had themes, and so did moral myths. Now, morality myths, those have a bigger, more apparent theme. And so, make that connection. You're going to read a little part of a story. It's called An Improbable Friend from the worksheet, and you're going to answer those four questions for the reading. You will turn in that for reading. For writing, remember it's our 3D project. Remember that the best 3D project gets a really cool prize from me to you. Abel already got his prize, and that makes me really happy. So, make sure you knock it out. Remember that you have till 10 this morning to test. This will take you away from doing your writing, which is the 3D project. I would love it still if you did do the 3D project. I want to see what creativity you guys have in your brains. You're not writing anything but a paragraph. So it's not going to take brainstorming. It's not going to take rough draft. It's not going to take a lot. Of course, you still have to edit and revise because you always do that when you write. So, with that being said, keep these 3 things in mind. Stay calm, be positive, and on top of that, practice wisdom. That's all I have for you guys. Miss you guys. Love you guys. Surge out. Deuces.